Wiki again? Ayuk no from Urtereal ou the Eve of Orange County recap, the topic of Tamra Judgement et Sexuality come up, again. As soon as episode read on the est quast, Tamra judge of in a furious social media on the event realized out of far, en a to dialback, buv have bot version. So, Vicky Gnovalson, Kinbe of Tereal ou the Eve of Orange County en Tamra judge frien tournée en ami, wa with Grotchen Rossi, Lizzie Rozek, en Kelidod. Vicky Gnovalson a ira rumor int past ta Eddie judge, Tamra judgement, might bugay. Vicky a also repeated often with a ton of delete, a more or less every opportunity. The question of Eddie judge sexuality even mad it on ta Tamra judge distract. Oui? We don't think tas concerned a Eddie judge living a when could be living best life. Instead, because the rumor seem to realize and the Tamra judge skin. Anyway, Tim, Ricky, Tamra very close frien, part of the conversation. En Cléanta on se so Eddie judge qui signe notamment. Ta cause d'astir, obviously. Il y a du Buclin with zero support, but salas or no ta Vicky would have to know it would dire que Tamra to know. En Tamra, on social media, talk to be. So, as soon as episode read on the est quast, well remind you, most show tre or early, in real team, tant on te vest coast because of the team difference, Tamra judge talk to Instagram to poster rebutal. Currently, post seti. Orchestrated envron wata? Te worst acting vv sin. Te are noting but homophobic bullet atteint yoka to triant out as treatment hoping to humiliate him. Why exactly the hitment to out as treatment? Well guess what it did work. In 1920 en bingay no something to bashamed of or mocked. You should have ashamed of yourself, sick. In cure form, Tamra post en liketi. The alkno who wablinti. Bye. Toralo to une packer. First of all, spreading rumor about summon sexuality in vegod. In many cases, it can danger people. No Eddie judge, bu. In ve agorida. Even if you know something ta somebody did or someone just set of your very accurate gaydar, bad form to share it. Also, every part of the conversation about Eddie judge is injust gossip, also bisexual erasure. Plenty of straight people have bisexual spouse. Plenty of gay people have bisexual spouse. Bi-folk may be an oft invisible minority because people tend to assume that they right gay or straight depending on their most recent partner, but they exist. They probably outnumber be all of the rest of us combined, actually. Anyway, so if Vicky Gouin haute perpetuate rumor, she could at least refer to amant whos marié to a oma en but alglia a pastoitamment a bisexual. Bu. It would Steve bete to fin a new way to jet un de Tamra skin. Perhaps could al kabu a Tamra judge on dote one nothing to do with her, alleging neglect emotional abuse. Tamra original indigne to ta post after you should have ashamed of yourself, sick, while it more accusatory. Vicky wa 100% blinty en yop cholo their job just like Fedra. Tai. Viciously harsh. Grotchen Rossiten posted their own response on Instagram. Tal kaburi hashing, ti post tak te kek even for Tamra. Some of me dearest et best friends are part of the LGBTQ community. I am no homophobic in any way. God dash star be defending herself against accusation of being homophobic. No one was trying to out onion. Kelly was only pointing out ta Vicky didn't start rumor on Lizzie pointed out ta Tamra Arknon about rumor going around ton for year. The kno. The also it. Bit reaction on a lour face no one could have anticipated what Ricky was going to say when asked if Kneif Eddie was gay. We she only asked him because he had been best friend with Tamra for 13 years and if anyone might know. saver best.for last, ove. Buzzy de i on li utigne somonif i actualigue. Oui je adamant li deni. En juste forte record Vicky did no set anything, up. Honestly, what we alit un coffee di judge, Vicky should probably cool it with the rumor. Vicky cambe créative en cool fin sometigne else to use to need le tamera. Sometigne tao on make vieur en fan of the show on comfortable. Vicky to un might even italit le close to home for vieur en fan. To hunting ta summon spouse might beget or be should be part of our society, you know? Les altri to bebete. Royal who's included.